Hey guys, hey. Just wanted to say, like, now that I hear something.
Hey, over here, sucker!
Joey, get back in your cupboard. I'm coming. Get back in your cupboard. Get back in your cupboard.
Let the camera see me.
Get in the cupboard now.
I'm in the cupboard. Look.
This is a tree, Joey. Get in. You know what? I'll give you 5 seconds. Get down and run into your cupboard right now.
No, just.
I'll phone animal control. I'll phone animal control. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Animal control. We're going. Animal control. Yeah. Yes. I've got a Okay, sorry, animal control. I've got a sleeping lion over here, won't get out of a tree, like, it's so weird. Hey, it's running! It's running! I'll just hang up a sec.
Get him away.
Joey, stop! Joey, stop right now! Yes, the camera can see you, and it'll see you in your cupboard. Go into the house and go in your cupboard. Joey? Run up to me. Hey, wait, what are you doing? What are you doing?